We are standing at the edge of a digital revolution. Every few decades, a technology appears that changes the world forever: electricity, the internet, smartphones, and now, artificial intelligence. But what makes AI unique is that it's not just a tool for big corporations or tech experts. For the first time in history, anyone, regardless of background, education, or experience, can tap into AI and use it to create real income. We're not talking about theoretical potential or futuristic promises. This is happening right now. People across the globe are quietly building online businesses, launching YouTube channels, writing books, offering freelance services, and even designing products, all using AI. Many of them had no experience before they started. Some didn't even know what AI stood for 6 months ago. And today? They're making $1,000, $5,000, even over $10,000 every single month from projects powered entirely by artificial intelligence. So how is that possible? The truth is, AI has lowered the barrier to entry for almost every digital industry. Tasks that used to require hiring a team of professionals, such as copywriting, video editing, content creation, marketing, customer support, can now be done in minutes using AI tools that are either free or extremely affordable. That means you, sitting at home with just a laptop and an internet connection, can launch a one-person business that looks and performs like a team of 10. And your clients or audience will never know the difference. Let's look at some examples. Thousands of people are now using tools like ChatGPT to write blog posts, craft email sequences, build social media content, or generate product descriptions for e-commerce stores. These tasks used to require skilled writers or marketers. Now, anyone can do it. There are teenagers making money by selling AI-generated articles to blogs and websites. There are stay-at-home parents writing and publishing entire books with the help of AI, turning them into passive income streams on platforms like Amazon. Then there's the visual side. Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva with AI features allow you to create stunning visuals, logos, advertisements, even entire brand kits, without knowing a single thing about graphic design. Freelancers are offering logo design, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and digital art for clients around the world, using AI to do in minutes what used to take hours. You may be thinking, but isn't the market saturated? Not even close. In fact, the demand for digital content, marketing, and automation is growing faster than ever. Every day, millions of new businesses are launched, and all of them need what AI can provide: content, visuals, videos, automation, branding, customer engagement, and more importantly, they need people who can deliver it fast. And here's the best part. You don't have to reveal that you're using AI. What matters to your clients or your audience is the result, not how you got there. Whether you're creating videos, managing social media accounts, building websites, or offering consulting, AI makes you faster, smarter, and more effective. Let's take video content as an example. With tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Runway ML, you can take a simple text script and turn it into a professional-looking video complete with voiceovers, transitions, background music, and stock footage, all without editing anything manually. That means you can start a YouTube channel in any niche, publish faceless videos, and begin earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, all within a few weeks. Even if you don't want to show your face, speak on camera, or spend hours editing, AI handles it all for you. Some creators are running entire automated YouTube channels that bring in thousands of dollars every month. And viewers have no idea the content was made by AI. The possibilities don't stop there. AI can help you build websites, launch online courses, generate product ideas, write business plans, handle customer support with chatbots, analyze data, even run your entire digital marketing campaign. There are literally no limits. And if you're worried that you don't know enough, remember this: most of the people succeeding with AI right now didn't either. They learned by doing. They picked one niche, like writing, design, video creation, or social media, and focused on using AI to solve a problem within that space. They didn't try to become experts in everything. They just started. That's the key. Start small. Pick a service or business model. Use AI to deliver faster, better, and at a lower cost. Then reinvest your earnings, scale your systems, and build something sustainable. Because AI doesn't just save you time, it gives you leverage. And in the world of online business, leverage is everything. If you're still doubting whether this is real, just look around. There are freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charging $50 to $500 per project, using AI to do 90% of the work. There are online entrepreneurs creating digital products with ChatGPT and selling them on Gumroad, Etsy, or their own Shopify stores. There are affiliate marketers using AI to write blogs, generate SEO content, build landing pages, and grow massive audiences on autopilot. This is not hype. It's happening now. The question is, are you going to be part of it, or just watch from the sidelines? You don't need a degree. You don't need experience. You don't need permission. All you need is the willingness to start, the curiosity to explore, and the discipline to keep going. Because the tools are here. The market is wide open. And the money? It's flowing to those who take action. So if you're ready to start earning real income using AI, don't wait. Take this seriously. Because in 5 years, you'll look back on this moment and realize it was either your biggest opportunity, or your biggest regret. Subscribe now, because this channel is your shortcut to mastering AI and turning it into real, consistent income. Don't miss what's coming next. The future belongs to those who build with it.